guess I was a race car engineer.
Just a little sample of what it's like to be around Charles Morgan, who in 1966 got a job as a systems engineer for IBM, which had just introduced the breakthrough System 360.
IBM would deliver that computer.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another radio video, and today I'm going to talk about recent purchase of the Tecsun CR-1100 DSP AM/FM stereo radio. Is a tabletop radio, and I paid a total of $29.98 from eBay. The price on eBay was $19.99, and then the shipping was another $9.99. And this is an open box, new well, he said it was new. It is new, mint condition, new. The other thing was an open box, and this is the box. Let me show you the box. Okay, it's open box, and it did have the open box like this. Okay, so it looks like it's been open. Of course, it's in Chinese, so don't need to pause this and read that because everything is in Chinese. And it does come with this manual. Okay, but again, it's all in Chinese. And then you have this. Mine came with this operation manual, and this one is in English. Okay, so you got an English here. Okay. So there you go. You can pause that. Okay. Read that. Zoom in here. Okay. So let me turn this off. You got a 3-inch speaker. Okay. Speaker sounds very good. It's rich. Not distorted in any way. It sounds very good. Very good audio on the speaker. Loud. Okay, so definitely the speaker is good on that. Now, of course, this does have the line in and line out. So I have not had a chance to hook up an MP3 player to this to really hear this as an external speaker. But based on what I use for listening to my radio, this thing is very loud. Now it's nice. Very good audio on this thing. Okay. Let me just go to the functions here real quick. You have your tone, you have your volume, you have your tuning, and it does have that click to it, which is good. I like that. Of course, you got your it does also function as a memory scan and you go to your preset. Okay, and you got a reset thing there if you want to reset your settings. Of course, you got a nice big old display. Display is very big. It's nice. I like the display. It's also pretty heavy. It's a very heavy radio. It has 4D batteries. So it is a heavy radio. It is also a tabletop radio. There is no handle on this. And it has that wood look to it, although it's plastic, but it has that wood look, like a clock radio. Which this is a clock radio. It has, let me show you on the top here. You got your antenna. You got your snooze button there. Your favorite preset. You can put 2 timers on this. Okay. And you got your ATS scan, your auto scan, memory. Okay, it has a bunch of functions there. Memory, I think this holds up to 300 memory presets. Okay, you see, got a big old display. The battery indicator right there is full. I'm gonna say battery life on this thing is very good. I had the batteries for over a month, a little over a month now, and you can see it's still full. I use this radio like every other, I would say like every 2 days, every 2 or 3 days. I'll listen to this radio for a couple of hours or so. And batteries, see, it's full strength. As you can see, there's full strength. So definitely battery on this thing is pretty good. Now I'll show you the back. No, just show you that the paper, but here goes the okay, the tuning step there, of course. AC adapter, 6 volt. You have your, FM external antenna. That's F connector. Okay, 75 ohm. So you want to hook up FM external, you can. Your compartment is like a hinge type thing. So be careful when you open this. This doesn't come out. You don't want to break the hinges on this. It just hinges out like that. It swings out, excuse me. I have Rite Aid batteries on it. And like I said, I had these batteries for over a month. And they're not, like I said, they're not top of the line batteries, but pretty good. So there's definitely battery life on this radio is very, very good. Okay, let me just put it back in there. So this radio is very heavy for it. So my impression of this radio is AM reception on this radio is almost on par with my real good high performance AM radios, like my GE Super Radio 3, my Sangean PRD5. This radio is almost it's just on par with those radios, I'm gonna say. So very, very good on medium wave AM, this radio. I picked up Cuba medium wave on this radio. I have video on that. So definitely this radio for AM reception is very, very good. Is exceptional. That's the word I'm going to use, exceptional. So this is definitely AM DXing radio. Now FM, I know Ali left a couple of comments there about FM reception. This is the antenna. It's of course hidden in there. Let me pull this thing out. Let me do this. And antenna, I don't want to bring, anyway. You see it's a pretty long antenna. It's about 2 inches or 2 feet or about 24 inches or so. Okay, so it's a pretty decent. It's a long antenna for FM, and of course the antenna is hidden, so that's good. And of course it's a tabletop type radio, so you don't have no handles on it. You can put this like in the kitchen, or you can have this in your nightstand. Now FM reception on this is, I'm gonna say, average. And I'm saying that I'm being a little generous with the average because I'm in the basement and I have not had a chance to take this outside. But when I try to listen to FM here, it did not pick up stations that I normally would pick up on some of my better radios. So I'm gonna say FM reception on this radio, and based on what I read about the reviews on this radio on FM, I'm gonna say it's average. So you're gonna pick up you're gonna pick up your strong stations on it, but the more weaker stations, I think you will have to, maybe if I was outside, maybe I can pick up some of the weaker stations. But I wasn't blown away on FM on this radio. Let's just put it that way. Okay. So my final thoughts on this radio is a buy. Definitely will buy this radio. Now, the deal about this radio is if you're going to buy this radio, I bought mine on eBay for, like I said, $19.99, and then the shipping. I got a real good deal on this radio on eBay. I don't know if he's still selling the radio. And these are open box radios. Now, if you want this radio brand new, Amazon does have this radio for $48.95. I'm going to put the Amazon link below. But Amazon definitely for $48. Now, I seen this radio as high as $79.95. I think there was one website that they had this radio for $100. No way I will pay $100 for this radio. No way I will pay $79 for this radio. If you can get this radio for about $50 or below, $50 or $49.99 or whatever, or like I said, Amazon $48.95, then this radio is a buy for that. Of course, and like I said, AM reception on this radio is awesome. Is exceptional. So definitely, this radio is definitely a buy. Okay? And I would do a little FM band scan on it, but I'm sorry, I'm not going to be doing that anymore because YouTube is, they're really, with the copyrights, they're really getting ridiculous. So You know, I know it's unfortunate that when you want to review a radio, they just don't understand that if you're gonna review a radio, you need to turn it on and tune in the bands, and some of it's gonna have music. And when they block your videos worldwide, it just takes away from that. So I'm sorry, I'm not gonna be doing any band scans and all that. If you want that, there's other channels that they'll go ahead and do that if they have this radio or when they buy this radio or whatever radios they have. But I'm not gonna be doing that here anymore. And like I said, I'm not gonna get too much into that. Let's just say that lately, I'm just gonna put it this way. I always said that this channel, you know, I was having fun with this channel. But when this channel becomes no longer fun for me, is the day that I'll just stop uploading videos. And it's getting to that point, unfortunately, because of YouTube, because of all the copyright nonsense. And I had I look back on my videos and I have over 349. This is probably gonna be video number 350, and I had a good 10 plus videos that were blocked worldwide. They were not even seen at all, blocked completely, without notice. And some of them are over 2 years old. For whatever reason, because they had a 20-second clip of a song. And it's frustrating. And when they do stuff like that, and like I said, I'm not making money off these videos. I don't panhandle in these videos. I don't say, can you please don't, you know, I had a couple of donations here and there. But lately, this channel is no longer, no longer fun for me. It's getting to be a drag because of that. Because YouTube, with their, copyright nonsense and some other stuff that they've been doing. So that's why I haven't been posting videos as frequent as I used to, because it's getting to be a drag. It's getting to be really, like I said before, when this channel no longer becomes fun for me, it's the day I'm just gonna walk away from the channel. I'm not gonna bother. And I have other channels that I want to put content in. I have model railroad channels that I would like to do. I also do rail fanning. I like railroad. I like everything that has to do with railroads. I have a retro gaming channel that I had a few videos uploaded, and I was gonna start doing that. But when YouTube keeps doing things like this with this channel, it just discourages me. So I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I haven't been posting videos more frequent. I have a lot of radios that I want to review. I want to sit down and review the radio. But when they keep doing stuff like this, it just discourages channels like mine to continue. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do after. I don't know what's gonna happen in 2019. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. I just want to thank everybody for those that subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for supporting my channel. And thank you for all the likes. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't like the video, you know what? I don't really care. How about that? If you don't like the video, well, you know what? There's plenty of other channels to go to. Go on your merry way. So with that, I'm going to say take care. I hope you enjoy your Christmas. And I hope you have a happy new year. And we'll see what happens in 2019 as for this channel, because right now I'm going day to day on this channel. And I'll see what happens. I don't know if this will be my last video. Probably won't be my last video, but it might be my last video. I'm going to maybe take a little time. And we'll see. So take care. I see you soon. Okay? Bye-bye.